I've come out of Ooldea soak down the Ooldea road and turned into a freeway. Still call the old Ooldea, right? It goes through the Yalata. However, I was coming down the road down there. There. I was just coming straight past it. I got to here and I thought maybe I should have gone down that road. So I stopped, I pulled in the clutch and I pulled it a bit hard and I broke the clutch cable. That caused me a problem because I can't actually get the vehicle to move. I can't get the bike to work. Clutch cable broke off, just sheared off. Looks like there were two wires on it together. Looks like it was dusted, but anyway, that's not the problem. Now, I don't have a clutch. I've got a clutch, but the cable doesn't pull it, so I've got to fix it. So, I found the clutch cable here, so I think I might pull it out and then just pull it manually, because I can't ride at the moment, because every time I put in the first or second, it just sorts. Pull that clutch cable out and just pull it manually without using the clutch lever. Right? And it's about 5:10. I was heading for Yalata. It's yeah, I don't know if we'll get there. I might have to camp here for the night. Anyway, we're still in the I'll try and get this sorted. There it is, and it's just sheared off. Can you see? It's just sheared off, broken. So I'm going to get back on the bike, start it up, and see if I can change gears by pulling this cable with my left hand. I'll show you what happens.